Have you ever wondered how South Africa, perched on the southernmost tip of the African continent, presents such a diverse array of landscapes? From the arid desert border with Namibia on the Atlantic coast, to the lush subtropical regions bordering Mozambique on the Indian Ocean, South Africa's geography is as rich as its history. Embarking on our journey from the western coast, we find ourselves in the hauntingly beautiful region of the Namib Desert. A seemingly endless expanse of sand dunes and rocky outcrops, this region is one of the driest places on Earth, yet it is far from lifeless. A myriad of unique plant and animal species have adapted to these harsh conditions, making the Namib Desert a biodiversity hotspot. Moving southwards, the coastline morphs into a rugged terrain dominated by the Cape Fold mountain range. These mountains, sculpted over millions of years by the forces of nature, form a dramatic backdrop to the Cape Floral Kingdom, one of the world's 6 floral kingdoms found exclusively in South Africa. As we venture further south, we reach the southernmost tip of Africa, where the Atlantic and Indian Oceans meet. This point, known as Cape Agulhas, is not just geographically significant but also forms a climatic divide. To the west, the cold Benguela Current keeps the climate cooler, while to the east, the warm Agulhas Current results in a subtropical climate. Progressing northeast along the eastern coast, the narrow coastal plain widens. Here, the Great Escarpment separates the lush coastline from the high inland plateau. This escarpment is a geographical marvel, a dramatic cliff face marking the edge of South Africa's central plateau, the Highveld. In the province of KwaZulu-Natal, a more significant distance separates the coastline from the escarpment. This region, with its warm subtropical climate, is home to lush forests, rolling hills, and beautiful beaches. It also boasts the magnificent Drakensberg mountain range, with peaks rising over 3,000 meters, forming a natural border with the mountain kingdom of Lesotho. South Africa's geography is a tale of extremes. From the arid Namib Desert on the western coast, to the subtropical eastern coast, from the rugged Cape Fold Mountains to the high inland plateau, every region has a unique story to tell. Despite much of the country being classified as semi-arid, the variation in climate and topography is considerable. To sum up, South Africa's geography is as diverse as it is vast. It stretches over more than 2,850 kilometers of coastline and covers a total land area of over 1,220,000 square kilometers. Its exclusive economic zone is the 23rd largest in the world, extending over 1,535,000 square kilometers. So, whether you're a geography enthusiast, a nature lover, or simply someone curious about the world, South Africa's fascinating geography is sure to captivate your imagination. It's a land of contrasts, a land of beauty, a land that truly epitomizes the spirit of Africa.